The XYX Lab is based here at Monash University, and we're a team of designers. So that's architects, urban designers, communication designers, interaction designers, and we work together to think about a really important social issue, which is gender and urban space. One of the key ways that we undertake research with communities is to bring people who see themselves as expert in this area, and we bring them into contact with women and girls and gender diverse people to really hear what that experience is like, what that lived experience is like in cities.
So the work that I do within XYX Lab is as a communication designer. So I'm co-director of the lab with Nicole Calms, but we work together to create a whole range of kind of installations and bodies of creative work. And as a communication designer or graphic designer, I'm responsible for generating that artwork that engages people with data. Hypersex City, for example, I think is a really great example of that. And it's like a full-on room-size immersive experience of data that otherwise just resides in reports or government documents. General public don't see that. We want to make this data visible, and a good communication design approach enables us to be able to do that.
Recently, we undertook a project called Your Ground, where we engaged with 23 local government organisations here in Victoria. And this particular project was able to partner with those organisations to actually plot safe and unsafe places in those areas, because then what they can do is prioritise how they might foresee future planning.
For the TramLab project, XYX Lab came together with La Trobe University and RMIT University to face a particular issue, which is the safety for women and girls, in particular on public transport.
We worked with researchers who were expert in prevention of violence against women. We had to work with a whole advisory team of people who included things like criminologists, engineers, to really think very carefully about the multi-dimensional aspect of that problem and how to solve it.
For me, the most important aspect of XYX Lab is making visible the lived experience of others that are so frequently forgotten, trivialised or misunderstood. And through design, we can actually do that.
I think that the work that we're doing at the XYX Lab is critical because we can't make assumptions about the experiences that others are having in urban spaces. There are kind of versions of thinking about this problem theoretically, but the XYX Lab is very applied. So when we think about those things, we're thinking about the lived experience of those people in cities in a very applied way, and so you won't find that anywhere else but here at Monash.